how to turn off Instagram ads. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Instagram ads. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, just tap on account center at the top. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on ad preferences. And now here, once you see the interface like this, at the top, you'll see two tab. So from there, you just have to tap on manage info. And now here in this section, what you have to do is simply scroll down and there just below ads shown outside Meta, there you'll see two options. So here first go to ads in other apps and there you can simply select this option that says don't allow us to show you ads in other apps. And with that you can also go back and tap on ads about Meta and there you can simply select the same option for that too and confirm it. And with that you can also hover over to the other advertisement or categories and there you can simply remove all your interest from there. And that's it. That's how you can turn off Instagram ads. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.